Right, here we are. We're going to update a page that's already been constructed, or we have to add a page that we've constructed a previous page for. So we want to add a person to our people, and we're under Land Resource Sciences and we're looking at the faculty here. We have some people in here, and you'll probably notice that there's an icon with an eye next to it. It means it's hidden from the general use or general public. We can see it in the back end, but the visitors coming to the site cannot. So we have to add a person here and update their content. So we need to go to Site Functions, go to the Edit menu. We're going to navigate to the Our People, Land Resource Sciences, and Faculty and Staff. Now you can see that there are already names in red here, and that's to indicate that they cannot be seen by the front-end users, the visitors coming to the site, but we can see them. We just click anywhere on any of these links and it'll open up a window on the right hand side with the individuals that we've already added. So we're going to add a new person. So we need to add a button, and there's a faculty member I'm going to add, and I want a standard template, and I want to show the content, but we're going to keep it invisible for the time being. Now I want these alphabetically, so I think that I'm going to have to reorder this and move this person down to right there and save it, and you can see that the person is now saved down below in alphabetical order. So now we just exit and we navigate to that person's name. So you can see there's nothing here. To speed up the process, I've already created pages for other faculty members, and we can use a feature at the top here called the copy page and paste page. It's similar to the clone page here, but we can move pages from section to section using this feature. So let's do that. Let's go to Land Resource Sciences, and we'll just grab one here, copy this, and now we go into the place where we want to paste it, and we paste the page in. So now we have something we can edit without having to start from scratch. Alright, so we enter edit mode, and we can type the person's name in. And now we can add their picture. We just navigate to the picture. I've already uploaded the pictures, and I placed it in a directory called LRS Faculty. There we are. Now I've prepared some text, and I'm going to just paste the text in and edit it. And I'm going to make that unbold, and I have to set their email address. Now I'm using the copy paste commands on my keyboard, but you can go up here and you can cut it, copy, same thing, and then I can go in and make a link. So make sure to set it to mail to, because it's a mailing link. What that will do is it'll open up your mail client and put the email address in the email out section of that client. So let's just go ahead and add in the other bits of text that we need to do. Her degrees, her interest in research. We're going to do a little formatting here to indent this a little bit. And we're going to make it a bulleted list. She's got some publications that she's published recently. I'm going to add those in as well. I'm going to stretch this down so it makes editing a little easier. Okay, good. Now she has a website as well. Now if you double click on this link, it'll highlight the whole thing, and I can just paste the new address in, and I can make a new link, and I'd like to open it in a new window. Okay, well, let's save that. Now if you're going to edit this email address or this link here and change it to something else, remember that you need to break it first, then recreate it. Alright, she has some courses she teaches. And I'm going to just format this a little bit. Unbold some sections here. And bring this back up to the end, and I'd like to stretch the main div down to include it, so probably 1200 pixels. Let's take a look. Yes, that looks good. Okay, so we can save that. Just take a look. It looks pretty good. Alright, now let's make it visible. We have a couple in there that we finished and we can make visible. We'll make hers visible first. So we just move over and we make it visible to the real world by clicking on that one. We've also done Gary Perkin, so we'll select them as well. Okay. So if I move another window in and another, well, let's just go back outside and take a look at the regular website. And we go to Land Resource Sciences, Faculty, and there she is. And as you can see, if you click on this, my mail client opens up with her address in place. That concludes cloning a page, moving it to a certain location, and editing a page very quickly using the program.